So welcome back, young students. I'm so proud of you. Today we have reached at the last leg of revision. And today's class is very important because today we are going to talk about expressions, expressive sentences, exclamatory sentences, and how to change them into indirect speech. For that, I want you to give me your 100% focus. Let us start. So first of all, let us recall what are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which give us strong emotions. For example, they generally end with exclamation marks and they generally tell us about the different kind of emotions, sorrow, happiness, surprise, etc. So how to change those sentences into indirect speech? Just for example, exclamatory sentences are something like this. How beautiful, what a lovely day, alas, he is dead. So these sentences show strong feeling. Here is a very important rule for you to keep in mind. In such exclamatory sentences, when we change them into indirect speech, there will be no exclamation mark. Exclamation mark will be removed. There will be no question form. Question में नहीं बात करेंगे, वो exclaim के sound में बात करेंगे. And there will be no what or how pattern. So how to change them? Let me explain you one by one. We will convert emotion into normal sentences form. So the basic formula is, instead of the reporting verb said, we will use the reporting verb into exclaimed. Exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow or surprise, according to the need of the hour. So the reporting verb must match the emotion. Always keep this in mind that whatever the emotion sentence is devoting or giving the expression, you will use it according to that only. For example, she said, how beautiful the flower is. So it will change into, she exclaimed with joy that the flower was very beautiful. So change these kind of sentences in such different kind of words. Now, just to give you the formula in this way, step 1, remove the word how. Step 2, change it into a normal sentence. Step 3, add very in the reporting speech. And step 4, use that clause. That clause means according to the demand of the sentence. So here, let us recheck this same example. How beautiful the flower is, it will change into, she exclaimed with joy that the flower was very beautiful. Now, have you noticed, is changed into was, that is the tense change, and exclamation marks are also removed. So let us take another example. He said, what a great match it is. So it will change into indirect speech in this way. So he exclaimed with surprise that it was a very interesting match, or this was a very great match. So remove what a and convert into normal sentence and add very and follow the tense rules according to the need. Another example to elaborate this subject. Once again, look at this sentence carefully to understand it better. She said, alas, he is dead. So this will change into, she exclaimed with sorrow that he was dead. So words like alas, oh, hurrah, these are removed in the indirect form and emotions are expressed through the reporting verb. So keep these things in mind and let us understand that how can we get better marks in the examination. So always remember this transformation. What and how will change into very, exclamation mark will be removed, said will change into exclaimed, and don't forget to add that in the indirect speech. This is a golden rule. This is a golden rule for you to keep in mind. This will certainly help you get better marks in your examination. So in the end, here are a few sentences for you to practice because I strongly believe practice makes you perfect. With that, our narration is almost over. Tomorrow I am going to give you a detailed summary about the whole concept which we have covered. And with that, bye from my side with love. Don't forget to ask me if you want to know anything different or anything, if there is any confusion. Follow me on the page. Best of luck.
Goodbye.